Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Bees. Yesterday we learned about data types. Now we are going to see about objects. What is objects all about? Which is nothing but a collection of properties and methods. And it can store a multiple values. A string can store only one string value, a number can store only one number value, but object can store a multiple values. We will see with one example. Now we will create one object called employee. The object will be inside a curly brace and it contains a key value pair. For example, employee name and it will be in colon string John. Employee number 1235. We can take is active employee true and take company name XYZ. So this is how we need to create an employee object. So if I try to type employee, here it will return an object. So employee contains company name, employee number and is active employee or not. If I want to change any values or if I want to access only employee name, I can do by dot operator. So employee dot company name. I will get XYZ. So employee dot employee name John. So like that we can access all the properties inside the employee object. If I want to change some property, so how we can do it in the sense, if I want to change the company to AAA, so directly I can change employee.company name is equal to AAA. Now if I try to print employee contains company name as AAA. So this is a one way to change the object. The another way is employee of P name. So let me give us company name. So I'm getting employee of company name as AAA and also employee dot company name as AAA. If I want to add some new property into that, so how we can add it? So employee dot is working is equal to, I'll just keep one string as yes. So I have introduced a new property to the employee object. So if I try to print employee contains company name, employee number is active and our newly added attribute. So if we want to dynamically add a new attribute, so this is the way to add it. If I want to delete some attribute, like if I don't want that is working property into that, I can do delete delete keyword employee of like company name. I don't want. I have deleted a company name in employee. If I have printed doesn't have a company name. Now we have added string, number, boolean to the object. How we can add a function to an object, that we will see now. By dynamically we will add, already we know what employee contains. Now we will add the function which can return a company name. So employee dot get company name. is equal to a function. So this is how we need to create a function. Here, if we want to break the line, you have to press shift enter. So I'm going inside and I'm going to return some value to the particular object. So here I'm returning a string as ASD company. Enter. Now what all employee contains? Now employee contains the function that we have created. Now how we can access it? Employee dot get company name. So this is a function, so we need to call the function. Before calling it, let me try without calling. It is going to return a function, so it's clearly stating that we need to call the function. So now we will call it get employee name. So it is returning AST company. So this is how we have to get the properties and methods from an object. So how we can print it, all the keys, all the values. For example, employee contains totally 5 keys and 5 values. If we want to print it, each and every key, every value, how we can do it? We can use the for in loop. So how to use it? For employee going to return every time one value, one name, one details. Like I can give us prop, shift enter. Now I'm going to console log it. Console log is nothing but printing the data in our console. So now if I try to print prop, what is that? So that is going to return the key of each and every property in the object. Now if we want value, what we should do? Already we knows how to get the value. How we can get the value? Employee of employee name, we can get the value. So same way we are going to do it. Here employee of prop. So prop is nothing but a key. So now we are going to pass that key to the employee. Now it is going to return the value for it. So these are the few functions in objects. We will see the next video all about array. Thank you for watching.